Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, rúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Here is born the unification of the world, as well as the union of human beings. Prayer. Harajibe yono, bo nilo sabo, igba yono, bo nilo sabe aboni, lara agu fese ire bobo lori omo, lara yire agu ifa unlo yeba yeni lara, layo bobo ni yere obaradada. Ifa lade tinse me agwani lara, ekuba yono, baki abo ifa la ye nifa omolala nifa egba yono, Ifa niya le asekun ota ifa omolade, kaferefun rúnmìlà, ifa kaferefun Obàtálá, kaferefun Ògún, ifa kaferefun Ṣàngó. Patakin story. In the beginning, humans and the land lived separately. Olofin was very sad and overwhelmed as he witnessed the disunity that existed among people. Those who didn't have food simply remained hungry. No one offered even a piece of bread or helped each other. Obàtálá, also deeply saddened, went to visit Olofin. The two began discussing the situation and came to a conclusion. It was necessary to call on Ṣàngó to help solve this problem. Obàtálá went looking for Ṣàngó, but instead met rúnmìlà. After explaining Olofin's distress and the decision made, rúnmìlà consulted the Opale and saw this Odu. He said, "It is not only Ṣàngó we need, we must also call on Ògún. But before doing so, we must place a burning log, Etana Iran, behind Olofin's door as an offering to Ògún." After this was done, Obàtálá and rúnmìlà set off in search of Ògún and Ṣàngó, singing along the way. Be yono gbara, oba deo, ni Ṣàngó agu omo Ògún alaguadeo. Ògún and Ṣàngó lived across from one another. When they saw who was approaching, they ran to meet them and embraced. Then they were told, "This union you just made is exactly what we are seeking in the world, for life to be more pleasant and better shared among all. That way, Olofin can live more peacefully and joyfully." Upon hearing this, Ṣàngó replied, "We will do everything possible, with everyone's help, to bring the forces of the different lands together so that human beings may live more united. There will always be difficulties, envy, ambition, and wars among people. The world cannot be exactly as you wish, because if it were, humanity would cease to exist. But Ògún and I will make sure there is some union, and we will encourage people to share more with one another." And so, they began their journey back to Olofin's house. Along the way, they collected a bit of earth from every land and gathered the products found in each place. As they walked, Obàtálá told rúnmìlà that he felt something was still missing. At that moment, rúnmìlà saw a white ram, owunku, funfun, and took it. When they arrived at Olofin's home, rúnmìlà sat down and offered prayers to Ṣàngó and Ògún. He then fed the white ram, and joyfully they went in search of some humans to teach them goodness. Thus Ṣàngó with his words and Ògún with his strength succeeded in convincing some people. On their way back from Olofin's house, they met rúnmìlà and Obàtálá, walking and singing, "Omo lori Olofin la ye, obe oso le ye oso lele, gibe yono, eni la hero, omo ifa la leo." The four of them reunited and returned to Olofin's house. Rúnmìlà told him, "Father, we have done everything within our reach. Some will live in harmony, others will not." Olofin understood that nothing more could be done and said, "You have accomplished a great deal. You've made every effort, and that makes me very happy. Therefore, I will do good. Ṣàngó and Ògún will work together." Closing. That is how the lands became united, and that is why the power of Ṣàngó and Ògún in the world is one. and why there exists a force of understanding among human beings around the world.